In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoint to PDF. Converting your presentation to a PDF is a great way to lock in your layout and fonts, so everything looks the same on any device, and it makes sharing or printing much easier. Start by opening your file in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure the presentation you want to convert is on your screen and up to date with any final edits you want to keep. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all your saving, exporting, and sharing options live. Next, select Export. This is where PowerPoint gives you different ways to create versions of your presentation. Look for Create PDF/XPS document and click it. This option is specifically designed to turn your slides into a PDF while keeping your formatting crisp. Then click Create PDF/XPS. A new window will open, and this is where you'll set how your PDF will be generated. Now it's time to choose your settings. You'll see two main quality choices. Select Standard for high quality, which is best for printing or when you want your images and text to look as sharp as possible. If you're sending your file by email or uploading it somewhere and file size matters, choose minimum size to make a smaller PDF. Standard will keep more detail, while minimum size compresses images to help reduce the file size. Pick the one that matches how you plan to use the PDF. After that, choose where to save your file. Navigate to a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or project folder. You can also give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Keeping names short and descriptive helps when you're sharing with others or storing multiple versions. When everything looks good, click Publish. PowerPoint will process your presentation and create the PDF in the location you chose. Larger decks with lots of images may take a moment, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Once it's done, your PowerPoint is now converted to a PDF file ready to share, upload, or print with your design preserved just the way you intended. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.